As a production cost accountant, you want to understand which work centre is performing poorly and which one is performing well, and which material or order is associated with certain costs. This allows you, as a production cost accountant, to understand your production costs and the plan or actual variances at work centre or operation level. The app provides a flexible navigation so you can view the orders and understand the productivity of a particular work centre or operation. It provides detailed cost information plus information on the activities which cause the actual costs at a specific work centre or operation. This allows you to trace your business activity information and to check if the costs are reflected correctly, therefore solving issues effectively. First, I open the Fiori Launchpad. The tile shows the total variance between the planned and actual work centres in my organisation. I fill out the necessary fields and choose Go. The default screen shows the work centre with the planned cost and the actual cost. Here you can see the variance between the two. You can expand this view by choosing Maximise. Choose Settings to alter the fields. For example, I might want to view only the actual cost debit and the planned cost debit. I choose these options and select OK. Here you can see which work centre has the highest cost. In this view, you can see the planned cost, the actual cost and the variance. To discover more in this view, I choose Settings to display more fields. For example, I can add GL account to see which account is responsible for the variance. Next, I can see that the planned cost is higher than the actual cost. I choose the order number from Settings to explore the details. Here I navigate to the Production Cost Analysis app to see more cost details from the order level. We can find out the order status or the responsible person in this view. I can change the chart view by selecting Chart Type and view my data in a pie chart, for example. In Chart and Table view, I can see both the chart and the table. In Chart view, I can only see the chart. If I want to see a different view, I can choose the Smart Filter bar. Here I see my default filters: Work Centre, Cost Centre and Activity Type. To add a new view, I choose Adapt Filters, then Measure and add my filter. I'll choose Planned Cost Debit. If I want to analyse costs at a higher level than Work Centre, I can choose to analyse costs at a Cost Centre level. Let's analyse the cost of the Assembly Work Centre. I can establish which material, activity or order caused the highest cost or variance between planned cost and actual cost. And that's it. Analysing your costs by work centre or operation is easy. Now you try it.